आज हम पढ़ेंगे लिक्विड क्रिस्टल। लिक्विड क्रिस्टल को पढ़ने से पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर। स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर में क्या आता है? सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस। तो इसी में हम सॉलिड और लिक्विड की प्रॉपर्टी को अध्ययन करते हुए लिक्विड क्रिस्टल के बारे में जानेंगे। लिक्विड क्रिस्टल से पहले हम सॉलिड और लिक्विड के बारे में जानें कि मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन थ्री फॉर्म्स, दैट इज़ सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, इन विच सॉलिड में एग्जिस्ट either in crystalline form or in amorphous form. Crystalline forms means crystal molecules are in regular arrangement order, and amorphous form means crystal molecules are irregular or disorder form. Upon heating, a solid transform into an isotropic liquid, and again on cooling it gets transformed to crystalline solid. Crystalline solid are two types, single crystalline and polycrystalline solid. Single crystallines like diamond and polycrystalline quartz and graphite. There are certain materials which does not directly transform from crystalline solid to isotropic liquid and vice versa, but take on an intermediate structure in which they can flow like liquid with maintaining the anisotropic physical properties similar to crystalline solid. This intermediate phase of material is termed as liquid crystal. Liquid crystalline phase, mesophase or mesomorphic phase, and such materials are called mesogens. Liquid crystalline or mesomorphic substances. This is liquid crystal phase. How to change liquid crystal, change liquid crystal, and liquid crystal change isotropic liquid. Orientational and positional order. The molecules in a crystal are ordered, whereas in liquid they are not. The order in a crystal is usually both positional and orientational, in that the molecules are constrained both of occupy specific sites in a lattice and to point their molecular axis in a specific direction. The molecules in liquid, on the other hand, diffuse randomly throughout the sample container with the molecular axis tumbling wildly. Many phases with more order than present in liquid, but less order than typical of crystals also exist in nature. These phases are grouped together and called liquid crystal, since they share properties normally associated with both liquids and crystals. The molecules in all liquid crystal phases diffuse about much like the molecules of liquid, but as they do so, they maintain some degree of orientational order and sometimes some positional order also. In the liquid crystal phase, one molecular axis tends to point along a preferred direction as the molecules undergo diffusion. This preferred direction is called the director and is denoted by the unit vector n. This is director. Molecular order in nematic liquid crystal. To specify the amount of orientational order in such a liquid crystal phase, an order parameter is defined. Let us now calculate S, where when there is no orientational order, that is when the molecular axis point in all directions with equal probability. This means that Fi function is equal to constant. Let us set it equal to 1. So S is equal to 0. This is the mathematical formula, where x equal to cos. Thus S is 0 if there is no orientational order. If S is 0, there is no orientational order. In a typical liquid crystal, S decreases as the temperature is raised, taking on values between 0.3 and 0.8. S equal to 1 for a perfectly oriented system. We know that, we here say that if S equal to 0.3 and 0.8, this state is liquid crystal state. Type of liquid crystal. Liquid crystal, polymeric and monomeric. Monomerics are two types, lyotropic and thermotropic. Thermotropics are rod-like, disc-like, banana-like, and these are globular. Globulars are plastic, and board-like and senitic. Rod-like means, rod-likes are two types, pneumatic and sematic. Disc-like are SM and B. Banana-like, columnar and pneumatic. Liquid crystal phases. The pneumatic phase of calamitic means are rod-like liquid crystals is the simplest liquid crystal phase. In this phase, the molecules maintain a preferred orientational direction as they diffuse throughout the sample. There is no positional order in this phase. There is positional order since the center of mass are arranged in layers. If the director is perpendicular to the layers in which molecules are more likely to be, then it is called a symmetric a liquid crystal. If the director makes an angle other than 90 degree to these layers, it is a symmetric C phase. In these two phases, there is no positional order within the layer. If the molecules that form a liquid crystal phases are chiral, chiral means lack of conversion symmetry, then chiral phases exist in place of certain non-chiral phases. In calamitic liquid crystals, the pneumatic phase is replaced by the chiral pneumatic phase, in which the director rotates in helical fashion about an axis perpendicular to the director. This symmetric A and this symmetric C, this is unit vector n, and this is director axis. Two liquid crystal phases with positional order. Liquid crystal phases, phase diagram of p-hexoxanil and phase diagram of 4-pentabenzoethene and cyclobenzenoate. This disc-like molecules form a number of liquid crystal phases. The simplest type is the pneumatic phase, in which the short axis of the molecules preferentially orient along a single direction, again called the director. Positional order in discotic liquid crystal displays itself by the tendency of the molecules to arrange themselves in columns. This means that in the plane perpendicular to the columns, the molecules tend to arrange themselves in a two-dimensional lattice, either rectangular or hexagonal, as they diffuse throughout the sample. This is called a columnar phase. This is pneumatic and this is columnar. Liquid crystal phase, phase diagram of typical discotic liquid crystal. three situations in which the director of the liquid crystal points along different direction. It is not difficult to imagine that the force necessary to move the top plate of a specified velocity is different for each situation. If two assumptions are made, namely that the flow is laminar and that the velocity of the fluid next to each plate moves within the same velocity as the plate, and then the general definition of viscosity as the shedding stress divided by the velocity gradient becomes. Thank you.